Good morning, first grade. I hope everybody is having a great day so far, and I hope that you had a wonderful holiday and a fun and relaxing break. And I can't wait to hear about it today at our live class. And I can't believe it is already December. Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. And here's how you would write the digital date 12-1-20, since December is the 12th month. It's Tuesday today, so you'll have physical education as your special at 11:45, and it is the 60th day of school. So before we go over our schedule, if you would like to stand and join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, so coming out this morning, first thing will be a new Wit and Wisdom Wonder and Notice lesson for Module 2, all about animals. And then there will also be a deep dive lesson. Because we'll be taking our math test this afternoon, there won't be an application problem. But if you have some extra time and would like to log on to Zearn and practice your math a little bit this morning, that would be great. But it'll just be the two Wit and Wisdom activities, the deep dive and then a Wonder and Notice lesson. We will meet at 10 a.m. for our first live class, and we will do word building. So if you could please bring a blank dictation paper and these letters, DEHILMRS, that would be great. And then we will meet again at 1 today for math. We don't have social studies today, but we will pick back up with social studies on Thursday and Friday of this week. But for our 1 p.m. math class, this was in the second supply box, and it is the mid-module assessment task, and it says, trying to get it in view there for you better, and it says 1-2, so for first grade, second module, mid-module assessment, and it starts with Pedro has 8 pennies, Anita has 4 pennies. It's a stapled paper, and there's 3 printed sides to it. So again, this should have been in your in the second supply box from October in the folder. So if you could please bring this at 1, and we will work on this together during the live call. So that will be our day for today. And just let me know if you have any questions or if you need any help. And here is the puzzle. See if you can figure it out. So this word we should remember. It was one of our high frequency words, but then we have M-O and then O-N with the word once in the middle. So see if you can figure out what that means. And I'll see everybody at 10. Can't wait. Bye.